Yusik Claire Castro naniniwala na kailangan ng gobyerno sa Pilipinas na magpapasakop muli sa ICC. Ito ang kanyang binitawang salita during the interview of Karen Davila sa ANC channel. Sabi ni Yusik Castro, naniniwala pa rin siya sa justice system ng Pilipinas and she will fight for it. Ngunit kailangan natin ang tulong ng ICC, lalo na kapag makapangyarihan at maimpluwensya ang accused tulad ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Do you believe that it's time to discuss the Philippines being a member again of the ICC?
I think so, Ms. Karen, yes.
Very interesting. And is this a personal stand of yours or conviction?
On my part, yes.
Okay, and I want to ask you, being a lawyer, why do you, Attorney Claire Castro, believe that it's also time to discuss it with the President?
Yes, because this kind of situation, it will really happen, not just now. Maybe it will happen in the future. And there are times that we really need some kind of justice from an international criminal court because it's so sad to say, Ms. Karen, but sometimes it really happens that justice in the country is kind of questionable sometimes. But I have to believe in justice system because I'm a lawyer. I have to fight for that. But there are times that when I have to tell you this. Even Pastor Kibuloy, and I have to repeat this, and he admitted this, when he had this cases actually, he divulged in the question and answer in Gikan sa Masa, it's televised and published. He admitted that when he had these cases in Davao, he admitted that Mayor Duterte, then Mayor Duterte, was the one taking care of all his cases.
Who assisted him?
Saying, yes. Nilalakad niya ang dapat lakarin, kinakausap niya ang dapat kausapin.
Good point.
So it's so sad to hear that.
Good point. Actually, you make an honest assessment right now that in several cultures, including the Philippines, pag makapangyarihan ka, maliit ang bansa natin, may kilala ka, ay justice is not necessarily blind.